demonstration of the simple PowerShell GUI macro in AdvantageBuilder. I'm starting on the macros screen, where all available macros are listed. Here in the list, you can see the macro named Simple PowerShell GUI. I'll open it now. The macro editor appears, showing the full source code. This macro is a basic example of interactive PowerShell scripting using 3 built-in commands: prompt, confirm, and alert. The script first asks the user for their age using the prompt command. After that, it asks the user to confirm whether the age is correct. Depending on the response, the macro shows a final message indicating whether the age was confirmed. Let's run it. The macro starts by asking, "How old are you?" I'll enter a value. Then the confirmation dialog appears. "Are you really this age?" I'll choose a response, and the macro shows the final alert based on my choice. Now I'll close the macro editor. Back on the macro list, I can run the same macro simply by double-clicking it. The exact same sequence of dialogues appears, showing that macros can be executed either from the editor or directly from the list. And that completes this demonstration of the simple PowerShell GUI macro.